Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to draw a fashion flat using Adobe Illustrator. Guys, before we start, if you're new here in my channel, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell. Okay, let's start. So, I am using Adobe Illustrator CC. So, make sure your image is black. Just select the image, then go to object, then lock. Okay, then make sure that this ruler is shown. So to make sure that if you cannot see this ruler both on the top and the side, just hit the control R or command R in your keyboard. Okay, then click here on the left side, hold, drag, then just release. Make sure you have it in the center, then lock that once again. Okay, to lock that you can just go to object, then lock, selection, or the shortcut will be command or control 2. Okay, so now it's locked. Now go to pen tool, click the pen tool, then make sure to put stroke color, so any color will do. So we will put red, click, then click here, then hit the shift, then click, slowly drag it upward to make a curve, then click the end point. Okay, then click here, click, hold slowly, then drag to so that you can follow the shape or the curve of the shoulder. Okay, now click the anchor point again, then zoom out, then click here, click, hold, and drag slowly. Drag your mouse slowly, then click here at the end, then hold the shift key, then click. So now we have the half of the body. Now just click that using selection tool, then click and drag while holding the shift or alt, shift and alt in your keyboard, then release, then flip, hit letter O, enter, and enter to flip, then adjust. Now we will close this both ends, so just select that using the direct selection tool. So when this blue lines show and those two square, it means those are the endpoints of the two outline that we draw earlier. Just select that and click this connected endpoints. So now it means it is now closed. Now we will go on the top, then just adjust this a little bit, and also this side adjust, a little bit. Now select those using direct selection tool, then click the connect selected endpoints. So now we have a close body, so we can fill that body. So right now just leave that blank. Now we go to the sleeves. So just again pen tool, you can lock this the body, so you can hit or click that accidentally. Now go back to pen tool, then just trace this sleeve. Okay, then continue by clicking on the endpoints, then like that, like so, then click the first endpoint to close the sleeve. Okay, now we will create the cuff using pen tool again. Just okay, okay, now we have a cuff. Okay, we will see how it look. So make sure this cuff is at the top. Okay, now we just select this both, then drag and drop and flip and move. Okay, make sure you have moved it on the right area. Okay, now we will create the hem. Okay, we will use this round rectangle tool. Okay, like so. Okay, then just adjust the edge like so. You want to double check the, okay, use the direct selection tool to adjust this area. Okay, okay, like so. So if you feel that, it will look like this. Okay, then you try to fill the body, so it will look like that. Okay, make sure to lock. Now we will make the body move in front, so slowly we're getting there. Now just make the fill blank to see the background reference. Okay, now we're going to draw the color. Okay, so draw the color using the pen tool, just click on the center, then click like so, click and hold, then slowly adjust depending on the shape that you like. Okay, now duplicate this, move, hold shift and alt. Okay, just to duplicate that half color, then move, adjust. Okay, now select that, we will lock this. Okay, select that using direct selection tool, then combine. Now we will adjust that into 10 point. Okay, then select, click the object tool, then expand. Okay, and make a fill of red stroke, then make the fill blank so that you can see the color reference. Then adjust this using direct selection tool. Okay, click on the edge. Okay, then just move up and down, left and right, until you get that uh, perfect shape that we are going to have. Okay, make sure that you get the color balance. So if you feel that you now have a front color, now we will go to the back area. Again, click in the center, then click here, click, hold and drag just like so. Okay, now duplicate, shift and alt or option, then release, then duplicate, then flip. Okay, adjust. Okay, now direct selection tool, connect, then again we will change this to 10 point, just like what we did in this front color. Okay, now just adjust this until you cover this area. Okay, now expand that. Okay, then just hit the eyedrop, then click this to copy the stroke thickness. Okay, so now we have the back color and our front color. So make sure that this is at the front. So just move that, right click, then arrange wing to front. Okay, now if you want to go create the neck tape, just like this our sample, just click this, then drag and shift, hold control or hold the shift and alt or option key, then release, then hit a letter B to adjust the thickness, then adjust the thickness of this neck tape just like so. Then select that once again, then go to object, then path. We will create up, click the offset path. We will now going to put a top stitch. Okay, so negative 1.5 px is okay. Method limit 4. Hit the OK, then go to stroke, then click the dash line, then make that 2 dash and gap 2. Okay, now you have a neck tape. Okay, now I'm going to put a top stitch just like what you see here. So just duplicate that. Okay, then make sure to click this both end, then cut. Okay, then select this using direct selection tool, then delete, then remove the fill, then just hit letter I and click on the top stitch to copy that top stitch style that we have, then just remove the fill. Okay, then adjust your top stitch like so. Okay, so now we have this top stitch adjusted. So we will just adjust our color to make it look more perfect. Okay, zoom out now. Almost there. Now we're going to fill this with the header fill or header all over pattern. So if you're using a Mac, just holding hold the shift command or control or shift command and number 4. Okay, so we will just screenshot the header uh, pattern. Okay, now we will get that header. Okay, now drag and drop that and just adjust the size, embed, then drag and drop to the swatches. Okay, now select same fill color. We will fill that now with the header color. Okay, we will move this just so that you can see the comparison. Okay, move that on the side. Now we will fill this with this header gray pattern or fill. Just select same fill color, then select that. Oops, just select the whole body using the direct selection tool, then click the header pattern that we have here, then just change the color of the outline, click select same, then stroke color change to black. Okay, now if you want to make it more realistic or just to have a touch of softness, or to copy this shadow that just like the reference that we have here. Okay, just create a fill in black, like so. Then the opacity, adjust to 40, maybe 13 will do. Group this, then isolate, then paste that. Okay, then adjust. Then duplicate, drag and drop. Okay, group, isolate, paste. Okay, then we will add a little bit. Okay, like so. Then adjust the okay. Now we will select those shadow, then effect, then blur, version blur, preview, adjust, hit OK, and now we have our finish and final design. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fashion flat tutorial. Thanks guys.